Alright, I wanted to do a video seeing how a couple different brands of factory loads fire out of the Winchester 1873. This is a brand new Winchester made by Miroku 1873, shooting 44-40. We're going to try out the HSM cowboy action and the Fiocchi. That's what they're rated for, 725 foot per second and 233 foot-pounds of energy, 725 and 245 foot-pounds on the Fiocchi. They're both using Starline brass, so we'll keep them for reloads. In a later video we'll do some reloads and see how they compare. But anyway, here is the Winchester 1873 44-40. This is the 24-inch Octagon barrel. And we have a target set up at 25 yards. We'll fire a couple 5-round groups of each and see how it does, and then we'll move out to 50 yards and see how it does there. Okay, we'll try out the HSM first. 5 rounds, see how it behaves. How the brush hog go through. Alright, let's see how it looks. Okay, that's kind of lousy. Let's take a look here. 3 1/4 is the farthest apart. Let's fire 5 more next to it, right there, and see if we can tighten that up a little bit. This is with the HSM. Alright, let's see how this group looks. Let's go check that out. God, what did I do? I pulled one. Let's see. See how tight that group is. Oh, 1 1/2. Yeah, let's not count that one. I think I'm going to try it again. The problem is at 25 yards, the front bead almost fills up that circle at 25 yards even. Let's try it again. We'll shoot it there and there, see how it does. Okay, I adjusted the angle to get the target in the shot. We'll shoot 5 more at the lower left-hand corner. Let's go check it out. Pulled another one. That was the first shot. I could see it from there. Let's try it one more time right there. Okay, here we go. Bottom right corner. fun to shoot. I love this gun. That's what it should look like. Let's see here. What do we have? 1.25 inch. All right, HSM. Okay, next we'll try the Fiocchi. Go check it out. Okay. Not bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there's two. Two right there. 1.25 inch? Well, okay. So far, so good. Let's try it like this. Save some time. Oh man, that's a big difference. Yeah, okay. Let's try, well, 10 more rounds, 5 on each bottom corner there. And then I'll try and find all my brass. It doesn't even look like the same person shooting. You always pull one. Fix the sign, the target. We'll be right back. We're gonna have to get a new sign. This one's not gonna make it past the shoot. How do we finish? Yeah, interrupted. Those so much glare on those sights in the sunlight. They glare off that rear buckhorn and the front post. It has a bead on it, but there's just so much glare, it's blurry, and I'm wearing glasses anyway, so I think that did alright. I wonder if we can do any better with any hand loads or not. Or another brand. I've got a few more different brands on the way, so we may try this with another one. We may push it out to 50 yards and see if I can even see the target, the bullseye at that distance. I'll have to find a place we can shoot at 50 yards. We kind of got a little hump here on the bank of this pond, so alright, that does it for now. See you later.